So, I've got something really useful for our listeners today, Victor.
Oh, yeah? I love useful topics. What is it? What are we talking about today?
Well, you know how sometimes you want to meet friends or go somewhere, but it's kind of hard to find the right words in English?
Yes, absolutely. It can be really tricky, making plans.
Exactly. So, today on the Serena English podcast, we are talking all about making plans in English.
I am so excited for this one. This is one of the most important things you can learn for making friends and having a social life. It's totally essential.
Okay, so where do we start? Like, how do I even ask someone to do something with me?
Great question, Serena. The easiest way and the most common way is to use the phrase, do you want to? It's super simple and everyone uses it.
Do you want to? Okay, can you give me an example?
Of course. For example, do you want to get coffee or do you want to watch a movie? See, you just add the activity, the verb.
Oh, okay. So, do you want to study English together?
Perfect. That's exactly it. You're a natural. It's friendly, it's casual, it's great for friends.
Mm, is that okay for like my boss or is it just for friends? I'm not sure.
That's a really smart question. Do you want to is more casual, for friends. For someone like a boss or maybe someone you don't know very well, it's better to be a little more polite.
Okay, more polite. So, what should I say then?
You can say, would you like to? It's a fantastic alternative. Really, really useful.
Ah, would you like to? It sounds more
Exactly.
formal a little
It's
bit.
softer, more polite. For example, would you like to have lunch sometime? It's just a very nice and safe way to ask.
I see. So, for my friend, do you want to get pizza? But for my teacher, would you like to get a coffee?
Yes, you've totally got it. Do you want to is like saying wanna, very casual. Would you like to is always a great polite choice.
Okay, great. I feel better now. So I ask someone, would you like to get coffee? What's next? Like, what do they say and what do I say?
Right, responding, super important. So let's start with the positive, saying yes.
Yes. How do I say yes? Other than just yes.
Okay, so you have a few really good options. First, you could say, yes, I'd love to. The I'd is short for I would, and it shows you are really happy about the invitation.
I'd love to. Oh, I like that. It sounds very friendly.
It is. Another great one is that sounds great or that sounds fun. You are commenting on the idea, the plan.
That sounds great. Okay. It's like, your idea is a good idea.
Exactly. And if it's very casual, just sure or of course works perfectly.
Wow, so many ways to say yes. But what if I can't go? This is the hard part for me. I don't want to be rude.
Saying no politely. This is a very, very important skill. The key is to be soft and maybe give a reason.
Okay, so what do I say? Not just no.
Definitely not just no. A great phrase is, I'm sorry, I can't. You start with an apology, which is very polite. I'm sorry, I can't. I have to work.
I'm sorry, I can't. That's good. It's simple.
It is. Another one, which is really nice, is I'd love to, but this shows you like the idea, but you have another commitment.
Oh, I really like that one. So, I'd love to, but I'm busy on Saturday.
Yes, that is a perfect polite no. It's friendly and clear. You see? Not so scary.
Okay, I'm feeling more confident. So we have the invitation and we have the answer, yes or no. What's left?
The details, the when and the where. This is where you make the actual plan.
Right, the time and the place. How do I ask about that?
Simple questions are best. For time, you can ask, what time is good for you? Or when are you free? Very clear, very direct.
When are you free? I like that. And to suggest a time,
You can use how about. It's amazing for suggestions. How about Saturday? Or how about 7 p.m.? It works for days, times, anything.
How about, okay, I'm going to remember that. And for the place, is it the same?
It is. You can totally use it. How about the new cafe on Main Street? Or you can ask, where should we meet?
where should we meet? Simple. I like simple. So to make a suggestion, I can say, let's meet at the cinema. Is at the right word?
Yes. Oh, that's a brilliant point. Prepositions. They are so important for plans. So, first point, for time, for the clock time, we use at. Let's meet at 8 p.m.
Okay, at for time. Got it.
Second point, for days of the week, we use on. I'm free on Friday. Or, let's go on Sunday.
On for days. At 8 on Friday. Okay, and for the place?
And third point, for a specific place, we also use at. Like you said, at the cinema or at the restaurant. It's for the meeting point.
Wow, that is so useful. At, on, at. Okay, let me try to make a full plan.
Go for it. Let's hear it.
Hey, Victor, do you want to get dinner on Saturday?
Yes, I'd love to. What time is good for you?
How about at 7 p.m.? We can meet at the Italian restaurant.
That sounds great. See you on Saturday at 7.
Oh, that felt really good. I made a plan.
You did, and it was absolutely perfect. Every word was correct. You see, everyone listening? You can do this too. It just takes a little practice.
This was so helpful, Victor. So to review for everyone listening to the Serena English podcast, first, we ask with do you want to or would you like to?
Right. Then you answer yes with I'd love to or that sounds great.
And you answer no politely with, I'm sorry, I can't, or I'd love to, but.
And finally, you use how about to suggest a time or place. And remember your prepositions. At, on, at.
You know, Victor, there's one more thing that makes me a little nervous. What if I make a plan, but then the day comes and I'm not sure if it's still happening? How do I confirm without sounding, I don't know, annoying?
That is such a common feeling. But confirming is actually a very normal and polite thing to do. It shows you're organized and that you care about the plan. You're not being annoying at all.
That's great advice. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to the Serena English podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next one.
Thanks, everyone. Practice making plans this week. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.